Why are you looking at me like this? Actually, I was a hardcore non-vegetarian right from my childhood. I even used to cut meat with my own hands. But now, recently, I've stopped liking it. I've started feeling the pain of those animals. And even if try to go back to my same choice, and even if try to eat it, my body doesn't accept it. I start throwing up. I don't know what's wrong with me. Darling, you are spiritually awakening. Hello beautiful souls, this is Poonam Kaur and welcome back to my channel. The intro to this video was a brief of a phase that comes in everybody's life when they are spiritually awakening. Even if they know or they don't know. Even if they want to accept it or they don't want to accept it. But the truth is, they are spiritually awakening. And the universe is very smart and our body is very smart. When it starts getting in alignment with the universe, then things start happening which our logical mind cannot understand. So whatever you just saw is one of them. This came up in recent sessions to me that some people say that they were hardcore non-vegetarian right from the beginning and they were able to kill the animal and cut the meat, clean it and cook it on themselves, and they never felt bad about it. But in the recent past, they have stopped liking eating meat, or they have started feeling the pain of those animals and hence they are not able to kill them, and even if they try to eat it, the body is throwing it up. So why is it so? The answer is, this is a part of spiritual awakening. If you want to know more on this topic, and if this topic interests you, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Without much ado, let's jump to the topic. So if you are also somebody who was hardcore non-vegetarian and who always loved non-veg, recently you have stopped liking it, or you have started feeling pain of those animals, or if you try to eat it, you end up throwing. You end up vomiting it out. And now you wonder, why is it so? What is happening with you? So darling, you are going through the process of spiritual awakening. Yes. As we all are spiritual beings having this temporary human experience on this earth, but when we take birth on this earth, we tend to forget everything that we were before coming on this earth, and we start thinking that we are this body and we are the identity that we get from this 3D society, and we start living this life from this 3D perspective, and we forget that what we used to be before coming on this earth. So we all are one, we all are light, and since we create blockages in our chakra system, we are not able to feel our own true divinity, and we don't feel the pain of others because we don't feel connected. We are mostly disconnected from our true self, from our true being, disconnected from the source, disconnected from the universe, disconnected from the God, disconnected from each and everybody around us. But the truth is, we all are always connected and we all are always one. And when it's your time to awaken spiritually, the universe will plan it all for you. Because till now you have been living an unconscious life, a life from 3D perspective, where you were disconnected from everything and everyone, and you were not able to feel their pain because you were not connected. But now universe will start playing its role, and it will start making you feel the connection. You will start feeling one with everything, and darling, when your heart chakra starts open up, you will start feeling each and everybody's pain. So yes, you don't have to be scared. Rather, it's a good news that your heart chakra is opening up. That's the portal of intuition, and that's the portal of the unity. So now you are feeling each and everybody's pain because now you're feeling one with everything, right? So you don't have to worry about it if you're going through such thing. It's not a disease. You're not going nuts. You're not going mad. It's a phase of the spiritual awakening. Our body is very intelligent. It knows what it needs to grow spiritually. Since you don't know it, your body knows it all. So your body will start throwing up what doesn't serve you, what doesn't serve the purpose of spiritual awakening. So when you are stepping into your godliness, then you understand that we were not created to eat corpses. We don't eat dead bodies, right? So that's when you'll be more inclined towards plant-based diet. Yes, you'll be more inclined towards plant-based diet. Your entire system, entire eating habits, everything is going to totally change. And this is a good news. You don't have to be worried about it. This is a good news that you are going through your spiritual awakening, and if you're one of them, I would love to congratulate you on this phase. Now, how you can make this phase easy for you? Surrender. Yes, surrender. Because when we are going through the spiritual awakening, our whole belief system shatters, and it's very difficult for us to go through the process of death and rebirth. Spiritual awakening is the process of death and rebirth. Why is it so? Because what dies, everything inside us dies. Whatever we have learned so far from the society dies once and for all. And rebirth is, we are birthing again. New things are birthing. Whatever we used to be before coming on this earth, that's taking birth again inside us. That's why spiritual awakening is a difficult process. It's a process of death and rebirth. So now everything changes. Whatever your belief system was so far, that is going to shatter first, and then your own new original beliefs, your original thoughts, your original divinity, your true authentic self is going to emerge from this. So this is how it is supposed to be, and there is nothing to worry. I hope this video helps, and I hope I have made all these points very clear to you that why you are feeling certain way. If you are going through spiritual awakening, a difficult spiritual awakening, and you want any assistance, you can connect with me. Do let me know in the comment section below. I'll connect with you and I would provide my support to you. I'll see you next time. Till then, if you still have any question, queries, doubts, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, do hit the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to share it with others who may benefit from this. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit, and stay in high vibes. And let your conscious rise high, because the sky is to fly. Namaste.